How to change country on Wizz. Now, first things first, Wizz has only limited access to a selected countries. Like for my example right here, I'm currently located in the Philippines and Wizz app is not operable in my country. So if we take a look at that, I'm pulling up my Google Chrome right here, and then we type in Wizz app download. If we click on the current or the first result, if you search that specific message, you'll have to click on the three lines right here and then click on download. Now I'm gonna choose Android. As you can see, this item is not available in my country. So, Wizz app has only limited access to a selected area or country, but it's very basic on changing your country once you do download the application. All I have to do is to download the Wizz app and then just create an account, maybe connect it through your Google, or you can go ahead and start from scratch using a new account, using a new email address. And then once you have fully registered to Wizz app, all you have to do is log in. And then on the top right corner of Wizz application, like for this example right here, it's actually logoed as a gear icon. Just simply tap on that, and then you'll be able to see a location. And then you can just easily change it and whenever or wherever you want to change it. So that's very basic. That's how you change country in Wizz app.